Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with for the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be reviewing this fragrance from the house of Initio Parfums Prives. Is none other than Oud for Greatness. So stay tuned. First of all, I would like to thank my very good friend Mr. AJ Chin for making this video possible. Thank you so much, AJ. Thank you so much. You're such a good guy, such a generous guy. Oud for Greatness was released in 2018 and it is one of Initio Parfums Prives' bestsellers and one of their most hyped fragrances. And for the notes we have the following. On the top we have lavender, saffron, and nutmeg. For the middle we have agarwood or oud, and for the base we have patchouli and musk. And before anything else, let's start first with the presentation. For the presentation of Oud for Greatness, first of all, it comes in a 90ml bottle and it costs about 300 to 350 US dollars, roughly about 15,000 pesos. So it's quite at the expensive side, and it comes in this very gorgeous box right here. In front we can see the very elegant design, this eye right here, which is I think the all-seeing eye of Providence, which can also be found at the back of the $1 bill. Very gorgeous design. Initio Oud for Greatness, Eau de Parfum, 90ml, 3.04 fluid ounces. At the back, we can see here this one, the Initio right here. At the top, we can see here Initio Parfums Prives. And at the bottom, we can see here other information, the ingredients, the barcode, and the QR code. And when we open this sleeve, this is just the sleeve, guys. When we open this one, we can find the actual bottle. At the top, we can see here Initio Parfums Prives right there. And this one, this design. Nothing at the sides, nothing at the back, and when we open this box, we can now see the bottle itself right here, which fits snugly in this case right here. So this is the bottle, and it comes with this paper right here. Now, if you want to read what's inside, just pause this video right here. Okay, so this is the bottle. Again, in front, we can see here this eye, the all-seeing eye of Providence. At the cap, we can see here Initio Parfums Prives. Nothing at the back. This gorgeous design at the sides, right there. And at the bottom, we can see here, there, Initio, and the batch code, which should match the batch code under this box. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but the batch code under the bottle should match the batch code under the box. And this is the sprayer. It comes in this black sprayer. Now let's go now and see this sprayer. I'll spray it here on my left hand. It sprays a big amount of mist. And that's for the presentation of Oud for Greatness. For the opening of Oud for Greatness, yes, I am able to detect the oud right away, but it is just at the background, because what I can detect in this initial blast of Oud for Greatness is that very menthol camphor eucalyptus vibe, which gives this Oud for Greatness a somehow cooling scent effect, which kinda reminds me of like Vicks VapoRub with oud. That's how I can smell this initial blast of Oud for Greatness. More like a mentholated oud. Well, to be honest, this fragrance is kinda unique because this is the first time that I've smelled a mentholated oud type of fragrance, because we're used to oud fragrances wherein if it's kinda sweet, or it's kinda light, or it's a very dark oud. That's how we are used to oud fragrances. But this Oud for Greatness, is more like a mentholated oud, which is kinda unique. And for the middle part of this fragrance, I've sprayed this Oud for Greatness about an hour ago here on my right hand. Okay, nothing much going on, guys. What you get from the initial opening, you'll still get it at the middle part of this fragrance. It still has this very cool camphor eucalyptus menthol vibe with a touch of oud. That's how it goes at the middle part. And for the dry down, yes, still the same, guys. From the initial spray, the middle part, up to the dry down, it's still the same. However, the oud is completely gone at the dry down. We are now left with this cool eucalyptus camphor menthol vibe. That's it. So for the development of this Oud for Greatness, it opens up with this blast of cool menthol camphor eucalyptus vibe with a touch of oud, with the oud just at the background, and that gives this oud for greatness a somehow cooling scent effect, and that stays the same up to the middle part of this fragrance, and at the dry down the oud is completely gone. We are now left with that cooling scent effect. Now who should wear this fragrance? Young adults and grown-ups can wear this fragrance. The young kids? Nah. I don't think they will be able to appreciate this oud for greatness. It's a very mature scent. When should you wear this fragrance? Fall and winter, temperature controlled environment where it is a lot cooler. And this is a perfect formal occasion scent, special occasion scent. I don't suggest this as a date scent because oud for greatness, actually the oud note is kinda challenging. So others might not be able to appreciate the oud note. And this oud for greatness has oud, so it might be a challenging scent and your date might not be able to appreciate this oud for greatness. How many sprays should you wear this fragrance? Just 3 sprays. 2 behind the ears, 1 behind the neck, and that's it. You're good to go. Let's go now and rate this oud for greatness. So for the scent, I'll give this one a 7 out of 10 because, well, I'm not much fan of oud. Oud for greatness is not my cup of tea. For the projection, I'll give this one a 10 out of 10 because it projects on my skin for about 3 to 4 hours. For the performance, 8 out of 10 because it lasts on my skin for about 6 to 8 hours. For the uniqueness, well, 10 out of 10 because I haven't smelled any mentholated oud fragrances yet so far. For the versatility, well, I'll give this one a 7 out of 10 because this fragrance is not that versatile. Again, I've mentioned this is perfectly worn at the fall and winter, temperature controlled environment, and perfect special occasion scent, formal occasion scent. For the sillage, I'll give this one a 10 out of 10 because, well, it leaves a decent scent trail. So for my overall rating of oud for greatness, I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. The final question is oud for greatness prescription worthy? Definitely no. Guys, I won't be prescribing this oud for greatness. Why? Because first, it's a pretty expensive scent. Well, let's face it guys, this fragrance is a pretty expensive scent. You can get other fragrances, oud fragrances in fact, which costs cheaper and will last longer on your skin, which smells better. This oud for greatness, well, it is justified because it's a niche fragrance. We can expect that it will be pretty much expensive. And, well, for $300 to $350 fragrance, you can get quality juice with this oud for greatness. Initio Parfums Prives fragrances are pretty much expensive but with quality juice. However, we can get other fragrances, cheaper alternatives, which are better in terms of the scent, in terms of the performance, projection, the sillage, and versatility. Unlike this fragrance, which is not that versatile. And let's face it guys, who wants to smell like Vicks Vaporub with a touch of oud? No one, right? No one. So, I'd rather smell like sweet oud or dark oud rather than smelling a mentholated oud, right? Well, that's just my preference guys. I don't know with you guys. It's really up to you if you will buy this Initio Parfums. If you're a fan of Initio Parfums Prives line, if you're a fan of oud for greatness, well, you'll definitely have this fragrance in your collection. But if you're on a budget, if you're looking for an oud fragrance where it is a lot cheaper alternative to this fragrance, I suggest you get other oud-based fragrance. There are a lot of oud-based fragrance out there in the market. You just have to search for it. So again guys, I won't be prescribing this oud for greatness Initio Parfums. This is a good fragrance on its own. However, it's not for me. It's not prescription worthy for me. You heard my review? Now what are your thoughts with regards to this fragrance? Initio Parfums Prives oud for greatness. Do you have this bottle? What other Initio fragrances do you have in your collection? Which one is your favorite? Again, put your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrances RX, and hit the notification bell down there. Again, this is Wedsa for the channel Fragrances RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!